How to clean up Gmail inbox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can clear your Gmail inbox. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, you have to open Gmail on your device. After that, make sure that you log into your account. Now once you land on this inbox page, there at the very top, you will find some categories as primary, promotions, socials, and updates. Now, if you can't find these updates categories right here, in order to add that, what you have to do is simply click on this settings icon. Now again, click on see all settings. Now go to inbox from this menu bar. There, under categories, you will find updates. Make sure you have check mark on that updates. After you do that, scroll all the way down and then click on save changes. After you do that, go back to your inbox page and there you will find your updates category. Once you see that, click on updates. That will take you to the next interface and you will get to see all these Gmail. Here you will find all the auto-generated email such as newsletters, notifications, or statements. Now, in order to delete this, what you have to do is identify the sender that sends the email repeatedly. For example, I have this Quora Digest. Now you have to right-click on this sender and from this drop-down box, there is an option that says find emails from Quora Digest. Click on that and that will load up all the emails from the sender. Now to clear this up, select on this checkbox right here and that will select all these emails. Now what you have to do is simply click on this delete icon. If there are more, simply repeat the same steps by selecting this email and then click on delete. Once you have delete, now you have to clear that from trash as well. So again, click on more. Now go to trash. There you will find all the emails that you have recently deleted. Now to delete all this permanently, select them all, then click on delete forever. And that will basically clear up your Gmail. That's all for today's video and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.